Making money online is not really difficult, and making money through PayPal is even better. We'll show you how to generate money online without performing any effort at all. If you have a phone, get ready because this method will be the best method you'll ever find. Make sure to watch the entire video from beginning to end to avoid getting confused with today's strategy. Please ensure you don't skip any parts so you don't miss any key facts. If you do, you're likely not to receive the results you want. We will show you a bonus app if you watch all the way to the end, so make sure you watch the entire video to avoid missing it. Hey there! Welcome to Online Money Mastery. I teach tips and tricks in making money online. Subscribe to the YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be updated whenever I upload a new video. Just smash the like button and leave a comment below. Now let's jump to the video. The first step in today's strategy is to open your browser and type www.cm.com/mcmoney/intuit. This is the next thing you should be able to see. MC Money. Earn money for receiving text messages. Get paid real money for helping us improve worldwide communication. The first thing you need to do in order to earn money online is to download the APK. Second, proceed to the installation. Third, register your phone number. Lastly, you will be receiving SMS and making money. As easy as that. So, what precisely is MC Money? As it states over here, you allow us to test and improve mobile operations by letting us send text messages to your phone. Simply put, you help us help mobile operators to work together. And not unimportant, each message you receive adds more money to your MC Money bank. Real money. Now, what is the best way to make money with MC Money? First, download the MC Money app on your Android phone. Second, follow the registration process. Any questions? Read the FAQ. Third, verify your phone number and you're all set. Then, we will send a test SMS to your phone number from time to time. And every received text message adds money to your balance. For the sixth step, cash out anytime after you hit the threshold. Lastly, get a bonus for every friend that you refer to the MC Money app. More info in the FAQ. Now, install and earn money. Earn cash, just install the app. We'll send you a random test SMS messages once in a while. You'll earn money to each received text message from us. It's also important to note that this app is only compatible with Android devices. So, if you're an iOS user, we're sorry but this software won't work on your device. MC Money is an Android-only app because Android allows us to process the results of the SMS text messages we send to your phone. But don't worry, we have a lot of other videos that function on iOS devices, so check out our channel and see what else we offer. Continuing, money is quite safe. MC Money is extremely safe and secure for you to use. Your personal data is handled according to strict privacy rules. If you go to this website and scroll down a little, you'll see a list of frequently asked questions that you can read. And as you can see, you have a general registration process. I don't receive the text messages, payments, and referral program. As a result, each of these categories has questions relating to the goal of your inquiries. If you can find the answer, you are asking for it. You scroll a little bit and contact them using email or even Facebook. So that's just a quick rundown of the entire website for you, just to make sure everything is clear and you're up to date. Before I show you the next steps in making money online, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe and bell icon so you'll always be updated about new ways to make money online. If you recall, we promised you a bonus tip earlier, and that is what we will discuss right now. Now open a new tab and type moneysmsapp.com in the address bar. As a result, this is what you should expect to see next. As you can see here, Money SMS app make money online. Below that, you can read Money SMS is a free Android app that allows you to make money online automatically by receiving SMS generated by our system and customers. One of the website's features is that Money SMS is a free Android app that allows you to make money online automatically from your phone by receiving SMS. This software is only available for Android because only Android allows apps to read SMS messages. This app allows you to make money online. You just need to install our app to get paid by our money-making app for receiving SMS text messages. Next is secure. Our app does not read any of our private messages or uses any other data. We read only our own test SMS. It is automatic. You earn money with the app passively without any active actions required from your side. You may also earn via referral system. You can refer our app to your friends and community and earn 30% from their earnings. And lastly, it's completely free. Our app is completely free. You don't need to pay anything to get started, and there are no hidden fees. In order for you to earn money online, all you need to do is to sign up. Download and install the APK, register, and keep the app and internet running on your phone. Next, receive automatic test SMS. Our system and our customers will send test SMS to your phone number from time to time. As you scroll down, you'll notice that this app gives you the option of choosing your favorite payment method from a variety of possibilities. You can accumulate money on a balance, earn money online automatically, earn more with referral programs, find quick answers to questions, keep track of the transaction results, withdraw money through a payment system, withdraw money within 48 hours, and lastly, keep track of income in reports. If you're not sure how to install the program, you can click this one to obtain all the support you need. As you can see here, over 3 million tests have been sent, 71,000 euros have been paid, and over 160,000 users have registered. If you scroll a little bit, you will see this one. Why are you getting paid? A lot of telecom SMS providers and mobile network operators need to send SMS text messages to foreign countries to verify and ensure the proper delivery of their SMS. You actually get paid because we use your phone number to provide such testing services. Please note that we don't read your private messages. Are we a scam or legit? At Money SMS, we take all the necessary measures to ensure that we comply with the latest GDPR privacy policy requirements. If you're not sure whether we pay our users, you can check the proof of payments from many of our users on an independent website. You may examine reviews on this website by clicking on the check ranking and reviews, which will reassure you that this program is exactly what it claims to be. Now, why should I download the app APK from the website? Unfortunately, we are not able to offer our full app on Google Play anymore. Due to their very strict policy regarding reading the user's SMS, the functionality of our app is very specific and it doesn't get approved anymore. The demo version of the Money SMS app is available. To earn money, however, you will need to install the full app APK from our website. Those are really important notes to keep in mind, so make sure you read them and pay attention to them. As you go deeper to the website, you will see the help center where you can click and ask your concern in all matters. I was hoping you could use all the 2 applications on your Android devices in order to maximize all of your earnings. As a result, you double your earnings. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and enjoy my content, be sure to leave a thumbs up below to support my channel. And for you not to miss any of my future videos, then click on the subscribe button and make a ring on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever a new video pops up. This is Online Money Mastery. Happy earning! See you in the next video.